nest in the last day or so. It's been so windy, and there is more unsettled weather on the way over the next few days. This conveyor belt of cloud just keeps coming in off the Atlantic, bringing the unsettled weather. And this hook of cloud you can see here, well, that's a sign of some pretty nasty weather on the way for Northern Ireland. But in the south, the cloud keeps bringing the rain into the south of the UK. What a miserable afternoon. Temperatures of around about 14 degrees. But if we hop to the other side of the channel, it's actually not too bad for Jersey and Guernsey. Perhaps a bit of brightness. Not the case in the southwest. Low cloud, hill fog as well. Some heavy rain starting to push into Wales as we go over the next couple of hours or so. And after that gorgeous start we had across Northern Ireland, well, the weather's going downhill. More rain coming in from the southwest. As far as Scotland goes, well, for the south and for the central Lowlands, not bad. It's in the north, for example, Sutherland, where we'll see some heavy showers, maybe a few cracks of thunder as well. But relatively speaking, it's not so bad across northern England here. The sky's a little bit on the hazy side, but at least it's dry. Now, overnight tonight, strengthening winds will keep pushing in the rain from the Atlantic. Some strong winds to come, as I said, for Northern Ireland and the Irish Sea coast as well, up to gale force, and everywhere inland. You'll probably see a few bits and bobs in your garden being rattled about during the early hours of Thursday. Not too cold, the coldest of the weather in the north. And then tomorrow morning, during the rush hour, wake up for a change to dry weather, believe it or not, across the southeast of the UK. Maybe even a little bit of brightness across Cambridgeshire, into parts of Berkshire and the Midlands as well. The opposite is across northern parts of England here. Cloudy skies. Again, the low pressure stuck right across the north of the country here. Some gusty winds as well. The showers will keep churning and churning away through the morning and into the afternoon as well. And not a lot of difference for Northern Ireland too. But the winds here will be easing. Still on the blustery side on the coasts of Wales, Pembrokeshire, through St David's into Swansea, up the Bristol Channel as well. And for the southwest of the country as well. Mostly dry weather at this stage, but there will be a few sprinkles of rain from time to time. And temperatures first thing in the morning in the southwest of around about 12 degrees. As we go through the rest of the morning into the afternoon, there is actually going to be quite a lot of dry weather around across the heart of the country. But then later on in the morning, as we head towards lunchtime, rain once again spills across the south of the UK, and it'll stay cloudy and quite dank across the north. If we get any brightness for any lengthier period of time tomorrow, 17 degrees. How about Friday? No surprises, again rain in the southeast, and on the whole, staying on the unsettled side, although if we get some dry weather, once again, feeling not too bad. But the outlook on the whole is looking a little bit on the grey side.